Oh wow, that was early.
North-central Illinois, Winnebago County in north-central Illinois, Boone County in north-central Illinois, until 1:30 p.m. At 12:50 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Rockford Airport, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact,
Average lot moment.
roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include New Milford, Brockton, Poplar Grove, Rockford Airport, Winnebago, Shilland, Candlewick Lake, McChesney Park, Davis Junction, Caledonia, Harrison, Loves Park, Rockford, Cherry Valley, Durand, Timberlane, South Beloit, Roscoe, Garden Prairie, Stillman Valley, Belvidere, and Cape Pretty. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. This is Noaa Weather Radio, KZV 50 in Rockford. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. The station will broadcast severe weather alarm tone.